In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Instagram account without deleting it. The first thing you want to do is you want to log into the Instagram account that you're trying to disable. Then you want to go to the bottom menu and select on your profile picture. Then go to the top right and press on these three bars. Afterwards, go ahead and select on Account Center. Afterwards, please go ahead and select on Personal Details. Then select on Account Ownership and Control. Afterwards, select on Deactivation or Deletion. Then, go ahead and select on your Instagram account. Afterwards, it is going to give you two different options: to deactivate your account or to delete your account. So deactivating your account will disable your Instagram account without deleting it, meaning that it is temporary and you can go ahead and get your account back at any time. Or if you want to permanently delete your account, there is an option over here that says delete account. So it really is up to you. For this video, I'm just going to go ahead and press on deactivate account right over here, then go ahead and press on continue. And in order to do this, you will need to enter in your password. So please go ahead and do that. Then afterwards, it is going to give you a little poll over here asking you why you need to deactivate your Instagram account. So go ahead and just answer this poll, then go ahead and press on continue. Then afterwards, all you need to do is you need to press on deactivated account and then you are good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.